All right. I saw this post from our sister Ijoma here, who made this publication yesterday, I believe. Yes, 16 hours ago, as I was time of recording the video. I saw it yesterday. This just appeared on my, my notification. I did not talk of it. I just kept quiet, like I always do. On anybody that have worked with the USB government and said to go, you resign and all that, I don't talk about them. Not because I cannot, I can. But the truth is that I don't want to be a kind of it's let issue, because I know there are some people are waiting to mock, to laugh at you. Because remember, you once worked with the USB government. Remember, you once propagate the truth. And now you are tired, or maybe you don't like what is going on now, which is normal as a human being. It is normal. But what I expected of them is this: if you decide to stay on your own, keep quiet. Keeping quiet it does not mean you should not criticize something that is bad, but let your criticism be logical. Don't bring it, make it like something of sentiment, because you are no longer with the USB government. Therefore, you cannot say anything and get away with it. You want to attack, and some of this attack is just based on how to pull you down, how to pull somebody down. If that is what you want, my question to you is that if you successfully pull the person, pull CS down or USB government down, are you going to step up to lead? Will you do it better? What is next plan? Because for you to say you want to remove something simply means that you have a better thing. If you say you don't like the way she's doing it, you must not like everything. Can we understand it? Even this thing that thing that you think that is right, you still have some people who don't like it, who believe you yourself are getting it wrong. There's no way you do something that everybody will like it. It's not possible. So if you say that COS is getting it wrong and that all these stories, good and fine, that's your opinion. But bear in mind that the other thing that you think to you is the right thing, some people see it as a wrong thing as well. So are you saying that the way you are going now, if you do it to you, how will you feel? If you see something wrong, pronounce that, criticize it logically, and avoid stretching it so it will not become your everyday job. If you are actually sensitive to what is going on, I don't think you get yourself involved with this kind of banter and hatred. This is 1 year after declaring Biafra. You work with USB for 6 months, 7 months, to some of it 8 months, some 5 months, 4 months, thereabout. You step out. And it is normal. It's not only you. It can happen to any organization, not only USB government. Let us not pretend that our own is different. I'm not saying that COS should do everything excellent, like everything that she does is perfect. No, she's a human being as well. Even you talking, if they give you the chance, are you trying to tell us that you do something that everybody, every soul will love that and stand up and start clapping for you? Not at all. But from time to time, we pretend that we know that it should have been this way, the other way. Good and fine. You made a suggestion. Can you just wait? If you think that thing she's doing is wrong and she have one attitude that you don't like, once you pronounce it, avoid it. Don't start stretching it like, because the more you are doing it, it's no longer you suggesting good idea. It is you trying to put the government down because of your personal interest. Some of you may say, no, not in personal interest. No, I don't want to lead. Good and fine. But let me tell you, you want to remove something without having a better option to replace it. So what does that tell you? It is about your interest. It simply means that you are not trying to get things right. The only thing you want is to plant somebody that maybe that you think that is good for you, according to your own judgment. The question is, if you put that person that you want to put, are you trying to tell us that every reference will ride around you and believe that this your idea is excellent? There's no way everybody will love what you are doing. So imagine if you are the one in the helm of affair, and some people are ganging up against you to get it to tear you apart. They have accused me that she paid me, they are paying you, they're paying you. I wish. I also need you to pay me. Come and pay me if that is the case. Not clearly. They paid you. Bring your money. I will take it. So I will not change, right? Okay. Some of you don't understand. You must learn how to stand on the good thing and avoid this kind of nonsense. I don't talk about people that resign, people that decided not to work with USB again, simply because I don't want to escalate issue. I don't want to see it as, oh, this is not my job. Oh, no, because the love I have for you when you are saying the truth is still intact. I don't know what has changed, but some of you are busy doing everything you can to weaken the system, the government. You just want to weaken the government. I don't want to go for that because I have many other things to say about this, but I don't want to go deeper. But what two things made me to bring this our sister tweet out. One is Orabueze responding, reacting on that, celebrating at this point in time. Is a no-no for me. Another thing is there's something that I saw in her work. I saw it before from other platforms, from other people. They shared it on social media. Somebody called my attention to that. Before Anambra election, I ignored it because I want to see how the election will end. I want to see what will happen. And the thing has come and gone. We're gonna go through that. I will show you. I will share it with you here on this live, or this not live broadcast, on this video. Please do me a favor, like the video. Some of you don't know the importance of liking the video. The owner of the platform, there are some changes. If you know, you know, and you need to like it. In case if you don't know, this is the only thing. Not Kai Report, we love you. Kai Report, all of you, we love all of you. We love all the independent media and all that. It's nice to hear, but your likeness, you need to also put into practical. All right, and the best way to start is to like the video and share it. Very, very important. Your comment, everything is very, very important, so that the owner of the platform will know that we are not here, using robot and all that. Although some people accuse me of that as well. Some people are very funny. Anyway, let us focus on what we are here for. This guy called Sonat Marawa is the one that retweeted that he just took screenshot of that, as you can see here, and made a post, and he says Ijoma is now fighting DPM and calling her scammer after you follow her to capitalize on feminist sentiments. To this guy now about Obakomwai, so forgotten that you started with your fellow men and Kata. The media is the power. Media is power, and we know what happened. Don't pretend. But the liar is a liar, though. So what did Ijoma say? Ijoma said, apart from dancing, taking pictures, continue asking Biafran to keep donating, and out of jealousy, she does not want any other person to outshine her. She jealously uses sacking people that have a lot to offer. Biafrans, why as Biafrans, okay, as offering Biafrans, okay, why as she is just an empty baron, she has no clue at all, and put DPM pictures here and all that. All right, this is height of it all. And before you jump into conclusion, let me just advise you to calm down. Let us go to the other things that she said in her own word. This is not an attack on her, please. I'm not attacking her. I just want to offer advice, because many people that are no longer with USB government at some point going wide to attack and all that. it is immaterial. There's no need for you to do that. You saw something that you don't like and decided to go away. Some of you, even if you are being sacked, I don't know what is going on in cabinet. I don't bother to know. Reason because I am not a member. But I can tell you, when whatever that happened, between you and USB government and COS, my advice to you is to handle it with maturity. Handle it with your brain. Do not come out and say you want because to some of you, you see it as a revenge. You want to revenge. You want to do something. Remember, it's not about both of you. You have Biafrans before both of you. And whatever you are doing that are annoying Biafrans, you need to reconsider. I know I have some people who say that I don't want to associate myself with anything Biafran, not even USB. So don't talk about it to me. Just I want to be myself. Okay, respectfully, I allow you. As long as you're not coming out against Biafran, you understand, just maintain that your lane. So if you are not working with USB government, my advice to you is to just maintain your lane. Avoid coming out every now and then talking and using DPM as a case study. I don't think it's a nice idea. I don't think it's not nice at all. I don't think it's a good thing for you to do. Remember, I'm not saying you should not criticize anybody that's suggesting anything you want to suggest. Make your point and leave the rest for God. This is 1 year already after declaring Biafra. You think that what you are doing now will help Biafra to, be fully achieved and protected? Is that what you think? No, I don't think it's possible. You put your energy in attacking people, and since you say that she's not getting right and everything is wrong, for how many months now that you are no longer participating? What are you doing exactly? What are you doing? Have you asked yourself what you are doing now and what you used to do before? Which of them is better? Collectively, you get your freedom. You think that you get your freedom. You think that Fulanis that have different version of bandits and terrorists, you think that they love each other? But when it comes to the issue of achieving the same goal, which is to conquer and Islamize everywhere, they will put their differences together and forge ahead. But Igbo people and Biafrans are abusing and sharing something that is going to hinder them back. There's a trending video of one useless girl, a woman, who is now saying that you did this and do that. Some of these people, and Ruben Abati, I think I need to react on that video. Ruben Abati was happy and celebrating it as a chief of bigotry he is. I want you to understand that everything you do, whatever you think that you are doing, getting right now, some people actually see it as a sabotage. Some people don't like it. It is normal. But let those who love what they're doing outnumber those that hate it. All right? So please, my sister Ijoma, or all of you, you know yourself. Since this your every man, Ngozi is not doing anything. Oh, what is he doing? I think it is time for you to stop. You can start doing that you can start getting it right from your own angle. There's no harm in trying. Start getting it right in your own angle. After we that are not in any government, like as a member, I'm a Biafran and I'm in support of USB government. That does not mean that I'm a cabinet member. Do you get it? I am just a citizen. But I can tell you, if you say that she's supposed to say yes and she said no, she's supposed to stand up here and she sit down. You have right to criticize, right? You have right. It is normal. It is welcome. It is a welcome. If CS is against it, that means something is wrong. But not you coming out to lie. That's the problem. Lying and you want her to go by fire because then come and okay, if she go now, will you step up? You see, you don't like it, right? You see, you don't want. That's not the fact. You don't want. For example, use CRC Ndoshinandam. Use their own as a case study. Okay, which is another criminal though. And they started fighting each other and all that. What happened? for them to, for one person to come out as a leader, they couldn't. Which is the reason why they are now hiding, doing programs secretly. They don't run their program now publicly. Fundraising secret, everything secret. And they are the one that they want you to see them as a beacon of a Biafra movement as you speak. People can be very fun, isn't it? When PM that you said that you are following and everything, when he was here, when he was free, he ran everything publicly. Master Kennedy said, today you are not hiding. And the reason why you are hiding, because they are unable to provide, to produce one leader. So they have to off their camera and argue to their test. After argument, they will tell Mazakwa, go and tell them this is what you need to do. Tell them that Biafran is here, because their own is Biafran is here. Doesn't matter. Anyway, let's go to this our sisters. Let me bring this one down so that I can now expand this one very, very well so you can see it. Okay. Now, remember, Ijoma have actually responded to Sana Badawa. That is all the fact. She has responded, and this is what she said as of okay, let me go, not this one. She responded to Sana Badawa. Where is that response, please? Okay, here we go. Look at what she said. She said, Akbarawa, all of you na breed of birds of the bed of a feather. All of you na bed of a feather. Okay, Ngozi managed to be una senior sister. All pays you agent, only God go punish you now. Deceivers, I don't cover lies, no matter how much I love her. No matter how much I loved her, I must speak truth to my conscience. Period. One thing I want you to understand is that something must have happened to this our sister. Yes, I can tell you that she may doubt me, because I know she's gonna watch this video. She do watch our video, but somebody, I can guarantee you that I challenge you, John, on this one. Somebody is somewhere pressing her button. You know, everybody have Mumu button. I'm not saying that she's Mumu, please don't get me wrong. Everybody have his or her own Mumu button. But your ability to say, to sanitize, to observe intruder in your life is very, very important. Very, very, very important. Somebody is somewhere pressing her. I don't know. I can't just lay head on any person. But what is, because I used to know her. I know some people that resign that just maintain their peace. Respect to them. But if you are no longer working with USB government, by any means necessary, the person you need to do, I'm not, like I said, I'm not against you criticizing government. You can criticize government that knows what they're doing. Of course, we use your criticism to checkmate the activities and further ahead and make a better decision. Not coming out to attack those that are criticized, no. But as long as your criticism is logical, like it is well constructed, you are not trying to manipulate or interchange words, you are just saying it the way it is, the way you feel, and people can see through it. Believe you me, you have no more problem. In fact, people will even love you more. That's how our people behave. But reading what you are saying, and are you saying that COS is not a Nigerian agent? Is that what you have to make us to see reason why you say that? You don't just talk because you can move your tongue. Respectfully, I love her as a Biafran, and I know that she's following everything, genuinely. But this version of Ijoma is new to me, very, very new to me. And this is her response to Sana Barawa's write-up that we just read before, all right? And the same picture of what she said in the past. Now, let's quickly go to the thing that I promised to bring to you here on her platform. This is not only her, others have made similar comments. All right, and we are going to focus on that issue. Okay, when you come down here, let me look for it. So these are what these are posts. These are posts all this while, and I'm trying to get hold of that. Just a moment. Down here. That I just scanned through her ex to know what she's if the whole thing is just new or has it been said before. Okay, she made this one. She said that the military only contributes 1 or 5%, that she has 9 ways she is distributing the money we donate, that our military should be our problem. Ask her if I am lying. This one is just pure gossip, isn't it? This is just gossip. I'm not here for gossip. Um, you can see some of so she did not start making this kind of comment today. She have been attacking COS, and this is a kind of chat and exchange of words, something like that. And here is the thing that I told you. So during the time that Anambra election is fast approaching, some of them were circulating this kind of information, posting it on social media. I can't lie to you that I have not seen it. I saw it there, but I decided to skip my mouth short and just observe, because I don't know what is what. I asked some questions, on the comment of people that posted it, and nobody gave me, proper answer. Now, what is that? They claim that in the group, I don't know if it's WhatsApp or Telegram, according to the write-up and the post they made then, that COS shared this in the group where they are. And this is a proof to that. According to them, this one. Okay, you can see the logo here and everything. At the end of the day, let me just summarize it so you understand that this thing you are seeing here: Federal Republic of Nigeria Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, Anambra State Directory of Polling Units, Directory of Polling Units. That she shared this thing here in that WhatsApp, in that group. Okay, listen very carefully so you understand what I'm talking about. And some of them were like, "Oh, why are you sharing INEC in Anambra election news here? This forum is for Biafra." To them, they were curious to understand why COS is sharing INEC information in the group. Then, out of curiosity, I have to click on it, to be honest with you. When I click on it, I scan through. Then it happened that in that link, when you click on it, you see polling unit, like where INEC have strategized, where they have marked out as polling unit for the election, governor election, which Soludo is one that. So this is what that link is all about. They mention different units in Anambra where they are going to cast vote and all that. So what comes to my mind instantly is that, okay, it could be that DPM is trying to let Biafrans know expected area, some of this area or polling unit area where the election will be conducted in Anambra, so that you're not going to be like, you don't know this, you don't know that. Why? Because this is my own analysis, so my own gut feeling. I'm not saying tell you that somebody told me. Nobody told me anything. I did not get any answer. I'm just telling you what I can make out from that link. Is that the link has to mention is about units about election, those areas where INEC have placed their unit and the polling unit for the election, so that definitely you check it. If there's anyone close to your area, you go there and just observe if there's an election going on truly or not. The number of people, you may go there and understand what they're saying. That is what I felt, that a kind of intelligent information for you to know how the election will be conducted, without sitting at home and make up story and feed it to Biafrans. That's what comes to my mind. But in the group, somebody made answer this. Madam Deputy Prime Minister, please kindly explain to us why you have posted this material here, because it appears to be a clarification for the soon to be held old Anambra State election next month. Please kindly clarify. Thanks. Somebody made this publication there in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now, to Ijoma and some people that like those who posted it before, because Ijoma posting it now, to be honest with you, posting it then, you can see the date October 25th when she made the post. I did not see her own, but I can tell you that, like I said, I saw it then. I'm not gonna tell you how I managed to get it because it's on social media. No, it's not secret. Because I don't want to drag the person who posted it here or drag another people because there are too many. There are so many, and there's no need to drag anybody now. Ijoma own is here because of Sonapana. Now listen, she is busy sponsoring her brother that is contesting for a governorship in Anambra. I just they laugh. I just they laugh now. Okay, did you notice something? Meaning that this is not her words. I saw it elsewhere. The same line of word that they started cooking up the story because of that link. Oh, the Ngozi Orabueze, her brother is contesting for Anambra ship election. They use this. People feed other people this false information. Why? The reason why I said not to talk about this particular link and everything then is simply because I was like, I don't see anything wrong with sharing this there because I've told you my own observation that it's just to alert their friends about the unity so that you don't need to go far or start looking elsewhere. The one that is close to you can be an eye, different eyes there to see what happened. That's what comes to my mind. Then they started talking about that she has a brother that is contesting. Remember, the word is brother, not a friend, not an agent, a brother. That her brother is contesting for gubernatorial election or governorship election in Anambra. Now I have to keep quiet because now when I'm not even in those people, okay, so I should be done go bozo. And that point now okay, the chair was oh get it those guys say come never say boy. I will come say more. If my thought, my instinct is wrong or right, and guess what? Until now, I have not seen anybody. Oh, because your brother lost the election. Are they saying it now? So the question is, how many people contested for Anambra chief election? And what is the name of this her brother? You see, people can sit down and cook up stories just to blackmail others. And I'm not happy with it. Because I see most of those people that are doing this as people that once supported USB government, not only that supported, I see them as intelligent and smart people. Your grievances, your animosity against her, against their friends, you should be the one to control your whatsoever that's pushing that your anger. For no just reason, you don't need to stand too low. Do you understand? Please, I hope that what I said makes sense to you because I don't want to further this so that I will not go beyond what I plan to say here. It is shocking and very, very disgraceful. Now look at the same because let me scroll down a little bit so you cannot see. She attached it with this. Remember, please don't. I'm not saying you should go and attack Ijoma. Please leave her. Let her just be the judge to whatever she's saying because there's no need. This is not the time to banter. That's why I've been avoiding talking about some people, showcasing this and showcasing that. Not that I cannot. I can do it, and the engagement will be superb, isn't it? But I don't need to. I don't have to. I must not do that. Please let us manage what we have and control ourselves. God bless you and make sure you like the video. Let me know what you think about what we discussed this morning. I hope it makes meaning to you. God bless you. See you again. Take care. Bye bye for now.